Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, this is another non-sponsored skincare review, and this is a product from Korea, Apieu madecassoside Cica Gel. It comes in a tube package with 50 ml quantity for a price which I will show you below. The ingredient list are as below. As you can see, the first ingredient is Centella asiatica leaf water. It has 70% of Centella asiatica water, and it does contain niacinamide as the fourth ingredient. Then Centella asiatica extract is also an ingredient in this. There are two oils which I actually didn't like. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I will just show you. So this is an oil which is rich in omega-3 fatty acid and has linoleic acid, and it has anti-aging benefit. They also have sunflower seed oil, which is a common ingredient in a lot of the moisturizers. It does have moisturizing property. So totally this product is not oil free. I think if you have fungal acne, you need to patch test it before using it. It also has silicones. It has asiaticoside and madecassoside. Both are the derivatives of Centella. Allantoin is another ingredient which is soothing for the skin. The consistency of the product is a smooth gel kind of consistency, which makes it very comfortable to use. It doesn't feel heavy. It also absorbs very fast. The experience with this product is quite good. It did not break me out. It actually helped with irritation and also calmed down the skin whenever I have redness or bumpy acne. This product comes as a savior. It is also safe to use with any other ingredients like your actives or AHAs or BHAs or red. Now coming to the drawback, but even though it is quite good, it is not too moisturizing, but it provides a good hydration, so it is best suited for oily acne prone people like me. May repurchase this. I hope this review was helpful. Thank you.